Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab A1 first layer not sticking, bed adhesion and calibration solutions. Fix 1. Clean the build plate. Remove the build plate and wash it with warm water and dish soap. Then dry it completely with a lint-free cloth. Avoid touching the print surface with your fingers afterward as skin oils reduce adhesion. If needed, wipe the plate with high concentration isopropyl alcohol before printing. Fix 2. Select the correct build plate. Open Bamboo Studio. Verify that the selected build plate matches the one installed on your A1, such as textured PEI plate. An incorrect plate selection can use the wrong first layer settings and reduce adhesion. Fix 3. Run auto bed leveling and calibration. On the printer touchscreen, open calibration or maintenance and run auto bed leveling. Perform the complete printer calibration if available and start the print again after calibration finishes. Fix 4. Check the nozzle and hot end. Heat the nozzle and remove any filament residue and inspect the nozzle for clogs or damage. Make sure the hot end assembly is firmly secured and the mounting screws are tight, as a loosened hot end can cause uneven first layers. Fix 5. Use the correct filament settings. Select the correct filament type in Bamboo Studio and make sure the nozzle and bed temperature matches the filament manufacturer's recommendation. If using old or moisture absorbed filament, dry it before printing. Fix 6. Slow down the first layer. Reduce the first layer print speed in Bamboo Studio. A slower first layer gives the filament more time to bond with the build plate. Then increase the first layer line width or use a brim for small parts if necessary. Fix 7. Check the first layer with a test print. Print a simple first layer test pattern if the filament is not being slightly squished onto the plate. Rerun calibration or inspect the hot end for mechanical movement. Then repeat the test until the first layer is even across the entire bed. Fix 8. Restart and update the printer. Restart the printer, check for firmware updates and settings, uninstall any available update, and rerun calibration before printing again. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.